They're rolling. Nice slow spool up.
Isn't that pretty?
It sure is. Beautiful day here. Just hope the wind slows down a little. Uh-oh, lost you first. Right off the bat.
Wind? What wind?
What wind? You got baptized in Corpus Christi.
Oh, hell yeah. This is just the gentlest of breezes compared to that day. Boy, those new tailblades really shine.
I like that. That's a Gorilla?
No, those are the K&B.
K&B. Well, now you had K&B on the Swift, didn't you?
Yeah, for a little while. They weren't the right size.
Ah. Yeehaw. Sun looks pretty glinting off that pretty canopy.
Now let's try it forward.
There you go.
Still bonked it though. Damn it, that just bugs me.
Well, you got it right. 2800 still?
Yeah, but it's just technique. It's not.
Oh yeah,
I
collect.
don't bog it on backflips. Listen.
Oh. Focus. Nope, I didn't hear it.
That's because it didn't bog. But when I do forward flips, my technique is not there and I bog it. Terrible. Just terrible. Damn it.
Is that too much, collective?
Yep. Too much negative. Timing is wrong. Just bad technique.
Well, it'll come to you.
Yeah.
Just a matter of time. Sure like those blades, main blades, Chris. Yeah, I like that too. What do you think, Sparks?
Are you in snow up to your butt right now?
Hey man, I bet that Franken Compy be a good snowblower. Oh, sorry, James. Just couldn't resist. Hey, we got a hawk up there chasing you. These your fly power?
No,
Air Thunder. I don't know why I got to get the two mixed up.
No, I can't afford those.
Oh, too fast for me.
Sorry.
That's alright. You just gotta learn how to use the focus a little bit better. Zoom, not focus, zoom.
We always get a nice running commentary when you film.
I've heard some good things about it. I don't know if it's the accent or the sentences. Oh.
Lose it?
Yeah, that focus, zoom focus thing. Yeah. They probably hear it on the mic. with a vengeance. Dragonus don't care. Now does it lean into the wind like the king? There's a strong gust, dude. Yes, sir. Oh, there goes the wind again, flapping. Trying to keep that from happening. There goes my hat. Good.
It leans.
Get the tail right there. There you go. Hee-haw. Oh. That's only going to be blowing 4 or 5 miles an hour.
That's what the weatherman said, so it's got to be true.
Exactly. Hee-haw. Yeah, there's a good lean right there.
I would try some inverted, but I'm not comfortable enough with it to do it in this wind. You know?
Nope. Air Thunder. 25C?
Yeah,
Nice.
they sure are heavy though.
Well, so are my long Max. I got my 2250.
No, these are about 30 grams heavier than the long max.
You're kidding me.
No, these weigh 204 grams.
Wow.
Yeah, they're heavy.
I'd get upwind and shoot back this way, but the lighting I think would be bad. There's the, your time is up. "30 seconds. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yo! Excellent.
Got a little float.
Even with the wind.